enough. God, this life had been so tough. And after years of being on my own, I got tired of being alone. Your picture came across my phone. I sent you a wink and we talked every day. April 17th, you took my breath away. For the very first time, ever since then, you've been mine, 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 mine. You are strong when I am weak. I'm afraid.
I'm over the moon. You're here by my side right now. I can't believe my eyes. I finally hear your voice in person, not just over the phone. I know a cozy spot where we can chat. Just the two of us.
Shoulder keep me safe. As we grow older, I will cherish.
How did Kirill let you go?
He never let me go. But I did it anyway.
How long are you here for?
I've come to see you.
You're kidding me, aren't you? What about Kirill?
Dennis, our reunion has turned everything upside down. Since the moment I went to Germany, I couldn't stop thinking about you. I realized I've been in love with you all this time. Because of my foolishness and fears, I married Kirill. I've come to understand it was my biggest mistake. And I have filed for divorce.
Your words, it feels like a dream. I've spent my entire life loving you. But you need to make a decision. Otherwise, I'll keep thinking you could go back to him at any moment. And it'll drive me crazy.
You got that I came to. I was drowning, I was sinking deep, and then came you. Yeah.
How about coming over to my place? I've got a bottle of wine. We can celebrate your return.
Sure. I think we should slow down for now.
Yeah, you're right. That's absolutely unnecessary. You know I love you, don't you?
I need to go to my sister's. I've packed up my things from Kirill's flat. I'm going to stay with her for a while. Have you got an exhibition?
Yeah, I do, but I can't think about it right now. Not with you here.
So this how you greeting me?
What are you doing here? Not welcome in Italy anymore.
Why? Can't I miss you?
You? No.
You'll always be mine, Dennis.